I thank the Union Government for approving the release of the 100 rupee coin in honor of Talevar Kalaignar. I also thank Honorable Prime Minister Thru Narendra Modi for his support and Honorable Defence Minister Rajnath Singh for gracing this occasion. He started his career as a professor of physics. Due to his interest in politics and by his hard work, he grew step by step from MLA to State Minister to CM of Uttar Pradesh and now as the Defence Minister of India. Honorable Rajnath Singh was my first choice in invite for this event. Although we have different political views, Rajnath Singh has always been someone who maintains positive relationships with people from different political backgrounds.